Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Guru Navrang. Today is new smartphone Realme Q5 is launched with an Qualcomm C695 and 500 megahertz battery. Now this Realme Q5 is introduced in China. In this we get 6.6 inches HD with X 120 Hz refresh rate. We get powerfully triple camera setup of mini camera 50 megapixel. In Realme Q5 we get powerfully Snapdragon 695 processor with different variants like 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. Realme Q available in 3 color options: run of Android 12 and Realme UI 3.0. Smartphone new updates. Subscribe my YouTube channel and do press bell icon. Thank you everyone.